These are the ways you get your views on time. It is very, very important for you to note all these things I'm sharing with you. It is a very, very secret that people cannot share with anybody. But this is how they make content. This is how they get their viral content. If you are looking forward to a way of getting your 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, you need to know this video. You need to watch this video today because you don't need hard work. It is not about hard work. It is about strategy. Then how do you get this strategy, which I'm going to share with you today? The first thing you need to be doing is always look forward to a content that is currently going viral, the content that people are currently searching. Then how do you get this content, which I'm going to share with you today? Don't forget, before you can get subscribers, your videos need to be getting views above 1,000 or views above 500. Just imagine one of your videos gets to 10,000 people, they watch it. Just imagine how many people is going to subscribe to your channel. That's why it's very, very important for you to know how to do the keyword research and how to get the content that is currently trending. No matter which niche you are, people are searching it, but which content, which certain part of your niche are they searching, which you need to know today. Now, how do you get this rich keyword? The first thing you do is that just go to your YouTube, go to their search engine, then you will tap in any keyword that people are searching. Let's say you actually want to watch a video on how to grow a YouTube channel or how to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You will see below it, you will see some keywords that are being suggested to you. These are the keywords people are currently searching. Just pick them, write them down. You can go to any platform like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, go there, type in those keywords. You will see the amount of people who are currently searching this content. Just make videos on them. Then, no matter how you do it, people will actually watch it because it will surely get to them. The YouTube algorithm is going to know that, yes, this is the current content people are searching. The way you make videos on them, how won't you get your views? You just surely get views because people are searching it. That's why it's very, very easy. Another way you can get this keyword is doing Google Analytics. Go and download this application. It's out there. Just go to Google and search for Google Analytics. From there, you will see the content that people are currently watching, how high it is, how people are searching it, and different geographical area that people are currently searching them. If it is your niche, check it. Check what people are searching. Then make videos on them. It will surely get to them. Just imagine people who are making content on football. Whenever they play any match, they will quickly make their content because they know that people are currently searching it, and they will surely go viral. That's why it is very, very important for you to note this. Another way of getting this rich keyword is go to your YouTube Studio Analytics. Go to under trend. Under trend, they will surely suggest the content that people are searching, whether the videos that people have already made for the past, let me say, for 1 year ago or 5 months ago. It might likely be trending right now. Then this analytics will surely suggest the video. It will show you that this video, people are searching it. Then the signal is for you to make videos on them. So that's why it is very, very important for you not to ignore these trends under your YouTube Studio Analytics. It is very, very important for you to always check it whenever you want to make your videos. That's another way to get YouTube keyword that's currently going viral. Now, another way is go to vidIQ and go to their search keyword explorer. Keyword explorer is there. You, after taking this kind of keywords, just go there, search it, then you will see the amount of people who are currently searching it. Whether it is currently trading, this keyword explorer will notify you. And if it's something that is not currently trading, it will tell you that this thing has low view. People are not searching it. Then it is very, very advisable for you to ignore that kind of idea. Then just make make content on the current trending one. So these are the ways you make your content. These are the ways you get your views on time. It is very, very important for you to note all these things I'm sharing with you. It is a very, very secret that people cannot share with anybody, but this is how they make content. This is how they get their viral content.